Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, and in this video I will show you the location of two fuses responsible for the power to the horn. This video applies to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. The fuse box you need is located under the front hood next to the battery. To leave the cover you'll have two clips, one here, so you want to press onto each of the clip and then just leave the cover up. On the back side of the cover you will have a fuse diagram as well. Okay, so the fuse number M22, it's located right here. It's a 10 amp fuse responsible for the power to the right side horn. And the fuse number M23, located right here, is a 10 amp fuse responsible for the power to the left side horn. So these two fuses you want to check, right horn and left horn. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.